Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
You start by confirming prerequisites: an active Google account, billing enabled, and a cloud project. Once done, enable the necessary APIs, custom search or the generative AI API, because they provide the endpoints you will call. Next, create API keys and an OAuth client ID. Make sure to restrict keys to your domain or IPs to prevent misuse. You will also prepare a lightweight dev environment, Node, Python, or a serverless function, so you can test calls immediately. Now you implement the middle integration. Send the user's query to Google Search or Custom Search JSON API to retrieve top results. Once you have snippets, call your AI model to summarize, extract answers, or generate query refinements. Keep prompts focused on those snippets to reduce hallucination. Make sure to respect rate limits and implement batching. Send only the top end results. Then normalize relevant scores so AI-generated summaries align with ranked results. Finish by integrating the combined output into your search UI. Show original snippets, the AI summary, source links, and a confidence indicator so users know how much to trust the answer. Then deploy with monitoring for errors, latency, and billing spikes. Once done, gather feedback and refine prompts and ranking weights. If things go wrong, AI hallucination or high cost, disable enrichment for affected queries, revert to raw snippets, and tighten prompt constraints while you investigate.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.